Hi everyone, this is Data Don again. I'm here to talk about Informatica Power Center 9.0.1 in 5 minutes. So you can see the architecture of Informatica 9.0.1 here in this picture. Most of the people will be using these blue boxes, which is basically meant for the Informatica developers. We use Mapping Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor, Metadata Manager, etc. Okay, so 9.0.1 is basically based on the service-oriented architecture. So all the services, all the tasks, everything are deployed as a service. So as you can see, the mapping designer, workflow manager, it all connects to a repository service, integration service, etc. Okay, so this is connect to main ISP, and then admin console connects to ISP to perform the admin operations like locking of objects, creating users, etc. So that's what all about Informatica Power Center architecture. And we have another component like Informatica Analyst and Informatica Developer. These are the tools used to perform the data analysis like metadata management, data management, etc. will be done using these tools. So that's all for this architecture. So this slide talks about what are the tools that we use. We use mostly the workflow manager, designer, workflow monitor, repository manager, etc. for development of Informatica and running the objects. The other tools like data analyzer, power center, repository, metadata manager, it's all used by the data analyst to analyze the data or to perform data analysis on the data. Now also other tools like administrator tools, which is basically used to perform the administration on Informatica. Okay, these are the components of Power Center 9.0.1. So these are the building blocks of Informatica. As you can see, Informatica Services Platform is ISP. Informatica Modeling Framework, Model Repository Services. It's a repository service which basically offers you, to create mappings, etc. Data integration service is used to run the mappings, which is used by Workflow Manager. Data transform machine is used for data analysis. Informatica Analyst service is also for data analysis. Rich client framework. ISP is basically administrative framework for Informatica services. So it encapsulates all other services and runs as a single service. It allows to stop and start and stop the Informatica server, failover services. It's like an admin service. Okay, that's what an ISP is all about. Repository servers, it's used to perform the analysis on the models, like what are the business objects that we have in our repository. It is used for the analysis of the data that we have in our data warehouse or any other data models. Okay. Integration service is basically the main service which is used to run all the mappings that we have created. It connects to different SQLs, flat files and all those things, and performs the transformation and then loads into the target. That's what the integration service is. Data transformation manager is basically to do an analysis like cleansing and all those kind of things. So it is not that vital right now. The analyst service is it's meant for performing the data analyst. It's like used by the business analyst to perform what are the impacts of various business objects that we have in Informatica. So this is the connectivity between Power Center 9.0.1 component. For example, if you can see mapping designer, it connects to repository service to create the mapping. Workflow manager connects to repository service and integration service to run and execute on the workflows, which includes mapping. And metadata manager is used to connect to metadata manager services. So other tools like Informatica developer, it uses its own connectivity to other services. So this all encapsulated by ISP. So these are all very not that critical, so I'm just skipping through all this. So these are all basically admin credentials. So I'm just so this is what Informatica Power Center Designer looks like. This basically has like various tools like mapping designer, source analyzer, target analyzer, transformation developer, etc. So this is what mapping looks like, which basically has a flat file, source qualifier, expression error, output file, flat file. So this is a navigation panel. This is output window. These are the toolbars. So these are the client tools. So right now we are in designer. If you want to open a workflow monitor or workflow manager, you can click any of those buttons and open it. Thanks guys. I believe I just gave you an overview of what Informatica is all about. Please subscribe and see more videos of mine. Thanks. Bye.